Whatever you do, please don't judge him and don't jump to conclusions.
Good. Single largest donor of military equipment to Ukraine, and we said that we would match or exceed that amount, almost 2.5 conversations, which is why we've provided it on, but also those long-range
Not bring to anything good.
phase of the battle, and that's a very productive conversation that we're having today as well. Good. Single largest donor of military equipment to Ukraine, and we said that we would.
You got to understand, it's allergy season right now, and I mean, the allergies are bad. They're really hurting everybody all over the world. The allergies are just crushing people. So I want you to remember to take your Benadryl, because Benadryl is going to save you in a time of allergies. So take your Benadryl. You know, you have insurance companies, right? Giving money to people that will go ahead and take their medications. You know that. Whoo! Pretty crazy. But anyway, I'm sure it's allergies. None to worry about. Love you all. Entertainment only.